Hello guys, we're going to the town and the charity shop.
Charity shop. Mum's got her mic on, so you can probably hear her.
Hello.
But guess what?
Manisha point of view.
Our point of view now, we've stolen the channel.
Yes.
We have stolen
Chaos begins.
the channel. Stolen it. It's ours.
Ours now.
Ours now.
For the whole day.
The whole day.
And tomorrow.
And tomorrow.
And on
probably
Monday.
Monday as well. Wait, what day is it? Saturday? Sunday?
Monday.
Yeah.
Yes. We're here until
Monday.
Monday.
We're off to
Train is at 12:38.
Double trouble.
Double Trouble.
Oh yeah, we're bad.
We have to do charity shops.
Yes.
Oh,
Yes.
we're off to the to Derby maybe,
Maybe. It depends.
because if we can, Nikki can find the shoe in there,
Shoes that I need.
We'll go to Derby.
and we go to Derby town. It's more shop. They got Tech Max. They have
Oh, we got the whole day.
Wait. Double check something. I don't know if I... Yeah, I did put it in my bag.
What?
Won't forget it, eh?
This one?
It's in my back pocket. And do you know when you tap all your pockets?
I don't have any pocket. Actually, I have a front pocket.
That's a lie, yeah. Mummy, it's in the background.
In the background.
She's a mic, so hopefully you'll be able to hear her.
Hopefully.
Because I'm short, that's why problem.
She's sure. Everyday life problems.
For short people.
I won't grow up anymore. I won't get tall anymore.
I'm one of
That's
them
it.
at the gym. I can't fit on many machines. I'm just small. I'm too small.
At the gym. Tiny lady.
I'm not that small.
Apparently you can't fit on the machine.
Leave me alone. I can't help it.
Debatable. Tiny. It's debatable. Look. Off we go.
Oh yeah. Done.
Hopefully Steve will do a transition where it's like really fast.
Oh, I told it. Probably when you fly the drone, it won't come back anymore. There's a poster from that new one.
Mum's like, do you want it? I was like, no, I'll crash it. Last time I did like a walking thing, he kept all my little sounds in it because I pretended to do transition music and I went do 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 do. Which is annoying. The children.
Yes. Lidl.
There you go.
Really cross.
Where we cross. Come on, quick.
Go away from me.
Because this person is too long time. Why are you pointing the camera? Yeah.
Why am I pointing the camera at you? Isn't this your channel, Mother?
Yes. That's my channel.
Bonjour.
We're here in the
I
town.
don't know what the supermarket is called.
Derby.
Derby on. But
We're shopping.
we're shopping. We did not film the charity shops and stuff, we forgot.
We did.
Sorry, Steve. I do apologise.
Sorry, Steve. Sorry. I brought sweets.
We did buy sweets, I also bought sweets.
That's the 1 pound shop. And you wanted to go this way, Bus?
I want a drink.
Okay, the 1 pound, 1 pound lang.
Yeah.
Yeah. Pound lang.
Very, very busy.
It is very busy.
The food stuff there.
Pizzeria.
If food stuff there, you got toilet there upstairs. You know, I know. There is all the
Jewellery.
60%.
That's where I got my ears pierced. Yeah.
Novicia. Is it
Nabisa.
Novicia Woods? Is it better than Claire's?
Yeah. There's a reason why Claire's is shutting down.
Yeah, because they are the
They're
competition.
tight.
Oh.
Sorry, excuse the French. They're poop.
Oh, Steve swears.
Steve needs to put a bleep over it.
Starbucks.
This is the big charity shop in there, look. British Foundation. Yes.
I like those charity shops.
We go in there, more cheaper than that place.
Oh, there's a big one as well, by the looks of
Big
it.
one, massive, yeah.
Do you need a drink, yeah?
Oh, we go to the drink
We'll,
first.
we'll go Poundland first.
I'm just really thirsty.
Yeah, I don't blame you, me too.
What's cheaper here? 3 pound, 2 pound, like 1 pound. Or see?
10% off student.
Get all the 1 pound. You become 50p.
Exactly.
There you go.
Oh, we've got to go outside to get in.
Yeah.
Gosh.
There she goes.
Oh, big push.
This way? Poundland, guys. What drink you want? Here.
Thank goodness for this.
If you drink, it go pay. I had that I want a diet. Why is not really cold, die? Get with the legs, because if you put finish it,
Yeah.
you can put in the bag, you know.
I might get an Oasis.
And ito for 1 pound.
Hey.
All 1 pound, yeah? My God, you need to go around
I think mine's
with
£1.35, but that's fine.
Huh?
Mine's £1.35. But it's not too bad because it's Oasis.
I get some like this. You don't have in your room, eh?
I think.
In the bathroom.
Yeah.
Shower. Where's the Nabia?
If you want to switch it to yourself.
Oh no.
Yes.
And mum's face.
Mother-daughter shopping right here.
Where's the Nabia? It's small one.
One.
The massive Malaysia. Oh, carry the Nisaiva, yan.
Where do I have a small?
Oh, get the reddest one. What you want in the bathroom? What we don't have in there, no?
Not my mum's. Where is it? That one's got that.
Okay. Okay.
Just picked it randomly.
Mish, your nurse. I was about to say just so they can hear you.
They have clothes as
Bonjour.
well in there.
Can you hear
Malaysia,
me?
look. Oh, no. What else we need here?
Oh, wait. Me. I hope you enjoyed that, Steve. I hope it came up.
What did I do in a hot tub?
Just mooing in the hot tub. Just gonna pay. Turn it off.
Yeah.
Here we find Mum in her natural habitat. Charity shopping.
Charity shopping. You find anything, Manisha?
Me? No, not really, but there she goes. Her biggest.
What are you videoing with, Manisha?
Because it's your channel, Mum.
Yeah, my channel, but you own it. And find anything, Manisha?
No, not really, but
Great.
find Nikki, shall we?
Yeah, go and find Nikki.
There There she is, holding up her top. Oh my god, that's...
He likes black. He likes blue. He likes black and blue.
For James?
For James, it doesn't. I don't care how much it is at this point.
Yeah, that's very cute.
For work, I'm thinking, and
Yeah.
it can stay at mine.
Yeah.
No.
She's found something for her boyfriend because she's taken, unfortunately. People she's taken. Look at that sexy queen. Cute.
They're nice boots. I think your mum would quite like those. Maybe I'll show you mum that. Oh, sorry.
Mum likes leggings as well, so.
Me?
Yeah? Ew. Ooh.
15 quid.
But what size are they? What size are they?
I don't know. Not her size. That looks like about size 5, size 4.
Yeah. That side. Me and Nikki do line dancing.
We do.
So we're looking for cowboy boots. So, there's my mummy, mother.
Oh, they're aged ones.
The kids.
No, we don't need any more books, that's for sure.
They don't got a ton of books anyway, love.
They do, they have them there.
Oh,
They might have some.
oh no, walk ahead, Nikki. Walk. No more books.
I'm looking at seeing if there's anything for Mum's wedding.
That's cute. That is cute.
This?
Yeah, that's cute. Nikki's mum's getting married next year,
Yes.
and I'm invited.
You are.
So that's why I've invited her to my mother's house. My mother. Yeah. Au revoir.
Jeans.
If you can see me, but there you go.
There you go.
So, we are done. We haven't filmed much just because we've been distracted.
Well, this
Yeah, we
distracted inside the shop.
It was been inside the shop. And you know how sometimes you can like have a bit. We didn't do it. So we have a bag here. She has her bag. She has her bag.
We're all shopped out.
We're all shopped out to go into multiple charity shops. Very sorry to see. Mum bought a couple of things. It's fine. It's not that much. I don't think.
Something like that.
So,
Take like the whole day.
we're going to go into the back and see in the garden. Look at the weather. It's absolutely stunning.
Yeah, not like yesterday. It's like cloudy.
Okay.
Out the garden.
Go in.
Straight out to the garden.
He's in the garden.
I can smell the barbecue burning. Yeah.
Yeah. Charcoal burning. No, he's not there, but that's burning.
There he is.
There he is. Bonjour. Hello. We are not late in any means or worries. We did not disappear at 10 o'clock and it's now
3,
3
half
o'clock.
3, something like that.
We went on an adventure and a half, didn't we?
Yes.
So how's your drone flying? Yeah, Colin.
Right, I've got a what to call it, video.
Yeah.
We saw the video. We've been very nosy. Did not bet if you accidentally crashed it or not, so there was no betting involved. Don't worry.
All right, guys. Salamat po. Paalam. Bye na.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together.